Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Chemical Guys Carpet Shampoo. For a hyper-concentrated car carpet and upholstery cleaner, consider the Chemical Guys Upholstery Shampoo. This top pick gets rid of dirt from carpets, seats, and floor mats. The professional-grade formula is free of detergents and has a low moisture content, allowing it to dry quickly after each use. The cleanser has a thick, sudsy texture that is infused with oxygen to lift and separate dirt particles effectively. With patented enzymes that target odor-causing microbes, this carpet shampoo also removes odors and leaves a pleasant citrus scent behind. In a separate spray bottle, dilute the concentrated cleaner with water and lightly mist surfaces before scrubbing with a brush or microfiber cloth. It is formulated with the most advanced cleaners and protectants. Fabric Clean combines a superior biodegradable degreaser with an enzymatic odor eliminator for immediate odor control and long-lasting deep cleaning benefits of biotechnology. Naturally occurring microbes in Fabric Clean degrade the organic compounds that cause odor, eradicating them completely, leaving behind a fresh scent. There are no chemicals, ammonia, bleach, color-damaging detergents or solvents. This biodegradable formula removes oil, grease, dirt, coffee, tea, wine, juice and pet stains from any water-safe indoor or outdoor fabric. The oxygen-infused cleaners of Fabric Clean lift and separate dirt particles and stains from deep within fabric in carpets and upholstery. Foaming action floats the particles directly to the surface of the material for easy cleanup with just a microfiber towel or hot water extractor. Our second best carpet cleaner for cars is Chemical Guys Carpet Stain Extractor. If you're looking for a product that requires a bit less work, Chemical Guys also offers a lightning-fast carpet and upholstery stain extractor. Lightning Fast Stain Extractor is the super powerful spot and stain remover for fabrics, upholstery, and carpet. Use Lightning Fast to destroy tough spots and stains from dirt, grease, coffee, soda, wine, and pets. The all-new formula quickly cleans fabric, carpet, and upholstery. Lightning Fast is boosted with stronger cleaning agents to take on even tougher stains, odor elimination properties to destroy foul smells at their source. This product claims to clean without fading or destroying color. Not only will it clean the carpet in your car, but it will also clean upholstery, fabrics, sofas, and even sneakers. Simply spray the product on the stain, agitate it with a brush, and wipe away any residue with a microfiber towel. It has a new hyper-cleaning formula that removes stains from your carpet quickly and thoroughly. This product will easily and safely remove dirt, mud, coffee, juice, and pet stains, and it will not leave any sticky residue behind. This product cleans and deodorizes simultaneously, leaving your interior smelling fresh and clean. For details, let's watch more. Third choice in our list is Car Guys Super Cleaner. This 18-ounce spray bottle of multi-surface car cleaner by Car Guys effectively cleans carpet, upholstery, plastic, rubber, and leather without harsh ingredients like ammonia. When applied directly to the surface, it can help to lightly dust surfaces as well as remove tough stains from carpet and car seats. However, avoid using it on glass. This cleaner has a no-rinse, water-based formula that is simple to use. Most soft surfaces dry in a few hours, depending on the amount of cleaner used. A professional-grade spray nozzle with an ergonomic trigger is included in the bottle for comfort and to prevent spills if it tips over. It gets just cleaning your vehicle requires some special deep stain remover, a chemical solvent to get rid of bug and tar, a separate floor mat and inner dash cleaner. and the list goes on and on. Keep it simple with one multi-purpose product, Car Guys Super Cleaner. This multi-surface product works on absolutely every interior or exterior surface except glass and delicate instrument panel screens. That means this one product will clean upholstery, fabric, canvas, leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, bird poop, grease, tree sap, metals, wood trim and so much more. This is the most versatile multi-purpose cleaner on the market. Number 4 on our side is Febreze Heavy Traffic Carpet Foam. Febreze Heavy Traffic Carpet Foam provides an easy way to keep your home smelling fresh and clean. It contains an effective formula that removes more dirt than just vacuuming alone. This carpet cleaner foam gets deep into the carpet fibers to remove trapped odors caused by smoke, pets, food and moisture. It also protects the fibers against future staining and leaves behind the pleasing scent of gain. To use, simply shake the can and then apply evenly to the soiled area. Febreze Heavy Traffic Carpet Foam is an excellent value that cleans, deodorizes, and dries quickly in a 4-pack for a low price. With a formula that dries quickly and leaves no sticky residue behind, this foam helps remove dirt and protects car carpets from future stains. Febreze and Gain combine their powers to eliminate odors trapped in carpet fibers while leaving a pleasant scent behind. It employs anionic and non-ionic surfactants that are capable of combating odors caused by pets, tobacco, food, and other sources. To use, saturate the entire car carpet or affected area with the product, scrub with a soft brush or cloth, and vacuum. Last in our top 5 best carpet cleaner for cars list is Armor Oxy Magic Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. This company's Oxy Magic Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner is offered in a 22-ounce bottle. Armor All's carpet cleaner promises to dissolve even the toughest automotive stains like mud, coffee, soda, ink, grass, and motor oil by penetrating deep into fibers to break up tough, grind and dirt. This formula works through tough stains with oxygen action, dissolving them on contact. When used correctly, it will restore the plush, luxurious appearance of your car's carpet. This car's carpet and upholstery take a serious beating from stains and ground in dirt. Oxy Magic Cleaner brings fabric back to life, restoring its plush, luxurious beauty. A breakthrough in cleaning technology, it uses oxygen action to power through the most stubborn stains. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.